Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna unbox Sony 900N, £250. I'll leave a link below for Amazon. Let's look at the features. It's gonna be 30 years of battery. You have a built-in assistant. Also come with a noise cancellation. Sony Mark III, it did not have extra bass. So otherwise it's pretty much the same. Seeing so. Built-in microphones for phone calls, quick charge, 10 minutes to charge. You have 30 years of battery, a USB-C charger, and also your audio cable. Also you get a small pouch. Download the app to control the headphone. That's your headphone, USB cable, an audio cable, and a pouch. So let's see. The material feels a little bit cheap than the Mark III. The same ear cups, foldable. Let's download the app and test them out. Let's see if it's worth it. All the buttons are in a one ear cup, so you have one of the ear cup is just free. You have audio cable, a USB-C charger, and you have the power buttons, also customs. I believe that's going to be your noise cancellation settings. So I have the Sony app, so I'm going to give it a try to see how this works. First of all, I'm going to try the bass, and I'm going to try the headphone quality before we go any further. That's I'm going to play the songs from YouTube and from our own collections. Then we go to the app and we're going to change the setting and see. We're going to listen to the same songs, see if any changes. Quite loud for sure. So they sounds really good. The bass is not the best bass, but at the same time it is not the bad bass either. It is the mid-range bass, where if you look at Bang & Olufsen, you get like really rich deep bass. You don't get that on the Sony. I also listen to like AD musics, so that means like both sides works independently when the song's bass drops. Yeah, with the AD music is so good. Bass is really good. So we're gonna test a few things. So if I tap once, so the song stops. The previous, you have the next songs. So that's all work without even you in the app. Now we're gonna watch video, see if there's a delay. I'm watching it children as moments. So far I don't see any delays. Oh, there's no lack of audio either. So far I don't see any delays on the audio, and they work really good. So now we're gonna go back to the app. On here you get ambient sounds, so it shows the batteries on the top. So when you go to ambient, and you can put ambient sound how much you want the ambient sound to be, and you can choose what exactly you're going to use it for. You're walking, running, or are you on the transport, so you can do that. Have sound positioning. Here you have equalizer, off, bright, excited, mellow, relaxed, vocal, boost, bass boost, pitch, manual, and custom 1, custom 2, and after my one is going to be customs. Everything going to be pretty much high, where the sound is coming from. So if you're on the plane, you can say, okay, engine noise, that means you're close to the window, so therefore left hand sides or right hand side, or even if you're in the back, so you can do that. Or even if you're in a train, you have like quite a lot of noise coming from the back, in the back or in the front. You can't select two of them at the same time. That's, I think they should improve upon the noise cancellation work. So now I will put 4 aside and see how the noise cancellation actually works. Excited mode, see if any change on the songs. There is a slight different quality if it's with the relaxed mode. There is a lot of different with the relaxed mode. The background music is like fading away, and even the lyrics very clearly. It's not with that high pitch voice. So let's see with vocal. So when you put it on vocal, the background music fades off completely, and you're only hearing the vocal. So the bass is to add up extra bass to the songs. The mellow one is bring the bass down, bring the vocal down. Sony have come up with quite a lot of good things to improve quite a lot of apps. So it's not like oh, it's just like gimmicks that the headphones and speakers nowadays you have to download the app to do that. Sony apps make a huge difference when you change the settings. You can feel it from even a slight setting. You can see the improvement on your audio. The song's experience is quite nice. Is it worth it for me to buy this or Sony Mark III? After using for both of them for a while, I would say Sony Mark III is still the better option, but you're paying £100 extra for that. It doesn't have the same quality as Sony Mark III. But if you don't want to spend that extra £100 but you want something close to that Sony Mark III, XB900 will be your ideal set, best option. If you're all looking for really good noise cancellation, go for the Sony Mark III. I'll leave a link below for Amazon. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what video would you like to see next. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.